did you know that some of the most astonishing breakthroughs in technology come from the world of 3D printing? When it comes to manufacturing, this fact about 3D printing is truly mind-blowing. 3D printing is a technology that allows for the creation of physical objects from a digital model by building up layers of material, such as plastic or metal. One of the most impressive examples of 3D printing is the printing of a functional car by Local Motors in just 44 hours. But perhaps most amazing of all is the potential for 3D printing to revolutionize industries such as medicine, aerospace, and construction. In medicine, 3D printing can produce customized implants and prosthetics, reducing costs and improving patient outcomes. In aerospace, 3D printing can help create lighter and stronger parts for aircraft and rockets, increasing efficiency and performance. And in construction, 3D printing can help build houses and infrastructure faster and with less waste, making housing more affordable and sustainable. From printing buildings to printing human organs, 3D printing is truly changing the way we make things. So there you have it, the astonishing technology fact about 3D printing. As 3D printing continues to advance and become more widespread, we can only imagine the incredible possibilities it will bring to our lives. Thanks for watching, and be sure to let us know in the comments what you think the future of 3D printing holds.